If you've ever added an effect to your video in CapCut and later decided it's not quite the look you wanted, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove an applied effect from your video on CapCut for PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 simple methods to quickly get your clip back to its original look, so you can experiment with effects confidently, knowing you can always undo or fine-tune your edits. Let's jump right in. We're going to start with the fastest way, toggling the effect off. So, if you have your CapCut project open, look at the timeline and click on the video clip that has the effect you want to remove. This tells CapCut, hey, this is the clip I'm working on. You'll see your clip highlighted once you've selected it, so you'll know you're in the right spot. Now, shift your eyes over to the top right-hand corner of the screen and find the Video tab. Once you're in there, head down to the Basics section. This area collects all your fundamental adjustments and any effects you've added. You'll see a list of effects applied to that clip, things like color filters, blurs, or whatever you experimented with. Each effect will have a little toggle switch next to it, kind of like a light switch. Simply click that toggle, and instantly, the effect disappears from the video preview. No need to save, no further steps. It's reversible too, so you can turn it back on if you change your mind later. This method is perfect if you want to quickly compare the before and after, or if you're not 100% sure you want to get rid of the effect permanently. Now, maybe you want to be absolutely certain the effect is gone, not just hidden, but removed entirely. That's where the second method comes in, deleting the effect from the effects panel. Start again by selecting the video clip on your timeline. This step always comes first, because CapCut needs to know which video you want to fix. Next, right-click directly on the clip and choose Edit Effects. This opens up the effects panel, kind of like opening a toolbox where all your special effects are stored for that clip. You'll see a neat list of every effect you've applied. Sometimes it's just one, sometimes it's a whole stack. Find the one you'd like to remove. Maybe you're looking for a glow or a vintage filter you tried out. Here's what I love. You can right-click just on that effect and select Delete. Or, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just tap the Delete key after highlighting the effect. The moment you do, the effect is wiped from your clip. No lingering changes, no hidden tweaks. It's as if the effect was never there, letting you reset and try something new. This permanent removal is great when you're sure you want your video clean, with 0 traces of past edits. Sometimes both methods come in handy. If you're experimenting, toggling is quick and flexible. If you're finished, deleting gives you a fresh slate. And hey, don't worry if you can't find an effect right away. Just double-check you've got the right clip selected and take your time. CapCut's layout is designed to be approachable, so a little patience goes a long way. So that's all there is to it. Whether you want to temporarily hide an effect or erase it entirely, you now have the confidence to edit your CapCut videos just the way you want. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your editing tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!